All right, everybody, like and subscribe. Make sure you share this video if you know anybody with a mobile home. And yeah, the project today, we're going to put a new roof over the top of this single wide trailer. And what we do first, we add 1x2s or 1x3s from the bottom edge up. And I start with one on the edge, and I measure a 6-inch overhang, a 2 foot to the center to the second one, and 4 foot to the center of my third one. And that's where you're going to pop a line and run your first sheet of plywood. On the very top in the center, you'll see we used the 1x4s instead of the 1x3s. They're a little bit wider. Now we're starting to add the OSB, and Paul is working on cutting the top because it's only about 7.5 feet from the bottom edge to the top. We're going to get all the OSB installed on this roof, and then the next step tomorrow will be adding the 2x4s on the edge. So we will be showing that part tomorrow, but right now we're just trying to get the OSB on top of this roof finished, and yeah, we'll start the next step tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys watching this video, and stay tuned for the rest, and we'll see you on the next one. You will see here where we're adding a piece on the end of our OSB so that we can put screws all the way up on all the perimeters. We want to be screwed down very well. Goal for today. We did the porch yesterday. The goal for today is to get this done. We've got it 80% screwed off. Come back tomorrow, we'll screw this off. Put our 2x4s for our fascia all the way around. Put our rubber on here and fascia. Be done. About 2 more days. One of our objectives, obviously, was to get that 6-inch overhang nice and straight all the way down. We're probably going to have to deal with that window. It's a little close to our boxing. We're coming down with a 3.5. We'll have a 4-inch fascia right there, and we also did that on the gables, both ends. And we're tying that all into the porch right here. Boom, right into the porch. Looking good though.